Hey everyone, it's Jenny from the Edison Public Library and I'm here today to make a craft with you. Today we're going to be making turtles with paper. I'm so excited to make this. It seems like such a fun craft. So let's get started. What you're going to need to start out is two different color papers. So I chose blue and I chose pink. I have two here just in case I mess up and I need to do a redo of any of the colors. You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need a pencil and a marker. Choose to use a black marker because it'll show the turtle the most. And then you're also going to need a glue stick. So this is a super simple craft. It doesn't contain many things. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is on our paper. So I am going to actually do a pink turtle. So I'm going to use my pink paper, and for the paper, you can use any kind of construction paper or thicker paper. If you don't have any, you just have white, feel free to color in the paper and make it whatever color you want. So I'm going to actually draw the turtle out, and the way I'm going to draw the turtle is I'm going to make a circle in the middle, a wide oval circle. Okay, so we're gonna have an oval. Then from there, I'm going to make its head, which is like a half circle at the top. So I have my wide oval circle and then I have my half circle. I'm going to make its arms, which again are similar to half circles, but they're a little bit of weirder shape. Hopefully I can make them similar on both sides. Okay, so I drew the arms. That's the shape of the arms. Now I'm going to do the feet and the tail. These are kind of like rounded triangles at the bottom. And then the tail. Okay. So that's the tail. I probably could make it bigger. I'll make it bigger. There we go. Okay. So we have our turtle shape. And then from there, I'm gonna make its eyes and face right in the front, because what I'm gonna do after this is trace everything back over in black marker. So the way I'm gonna make the face is two big eyes, because turtles are so cute. I want them to have nice big eyes. And we're gonna do, so I'm gonna start with this, two round circles on the eyes, and then I'm going to make a circle, but make it kind of like a pizza pie on the inside. A little circle, almost like a Pac-Man. I want it to look like a Pac-Man. So these are my eyes. They kind of look like Pac-Man on the inside, and I'll show you why I have them that way. Then I'm gonna do the nose and the smile. So that is going to be my turtle. So now what I'm going to do is trace over my turtle, the whole outline with black permanent marker, because it just shows a lot better than pencil. Okay, so I traced the outline of my turtle. Now I'm gonna do the face, and with the face, I'm gonna color in our Pac-Man eyes. So for the eyes, I just wanna show you, I left the little circle of what like the Pac-Man looks like. So I didn't color that in, but I colored everything else. So now I'm going to do our smile. And now I did not go directly on my lines. So what I'm gonna do is take my pencil and my eraser and go back and erase any lines that are shown in my turtle that the black line did not cover. So I'm just gonna go and erase that. just where it'd probably be shown. So if it's on the outside of the line, I don't really care. I just kind of want the inside to look neat. So now you have your turtle. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. So what I'm gonna do is now cut out the outside. So let's do that. Okay. So we have our turtle all cut out. So now I'm gonna put our turtle off to the side because he is moving on to the next step. So what I'm going to do next is now take my blue piece of paper and I am going to cut probably at least almost halfway, but not fully halfway, like right about here. So that's probably about 2.5 inches straight down. Okay, so this is the piece of paper that I'm going to be using. And now what I want to do is cut out about 1 inch thick strips. Okay, so I have my strips all cut out, and now what I'm going to do is glue my strips together in a circle. So by doing that, what I'm going to be doing is taking the one side of the strip and putting glue on it, and then connecting it around in a circle, just like that, putting that off to the side. So I'm gonna do them for the rest. Okay, so now we have all our circles all glued, ready to go. So we're gonna take our pretty little turtle, and what we're gonna do is glue these circles to the back of the turtle to make it look like its shell. So I like to do these individually. You can just glue them all on, whatever you want to do, but I just put a little glue on the back of the circle, and I stick it right down on the turtle where I want it, and I just do that for the rest of them. Okay, so I do have some leftover circles, but they didn't fit on my pattern that I did. So this is what the back of the turtle is going to look like. So this is his shell. You can put more. You could also do different colors. I just did blue, but here is your turtle. So you have this cute little guy with a turtle shell, and you know, he can swim around anywhere you want him to go, but you have just made a turtle. So congratulations. I hope to see what you guys have made. If you want to put it in the comments below, feel free. I hope to see you all soon, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy crafting. I'll see you all soon. Bye.